Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before I get into the video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support and the Lumin Discord server. We are on the way to 4.5k members, and Jay and I really appreciate each and every single one of you for the support recently. I have not uploaded a video in the last couple months, and that is because we have been working on new projects that are besides tweaking. One of the projects is Lucrum.bot. Jay and I have been working on this for the past month and a half about, and now we are back within Lumin and we are going to help out a lot of people. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to completely optimize your PC for Windows 11. This should be one of the only guides you will need for now. So everything that you see in this video will be within the link in the description of this video. It will be within the free file section of our Discord server. You can either visit discord.gg/lumin, or you can go to lumintweaks.com and you can join off there. First and foremost, you guys should create a restore point before doing any of the tweaks in this video. So first, what you should really make sure that you do is go into your settings and then make sure in the top left that you are on a local account. If you're not on a local account, you can click on your profile up here, go down to your info, and then right here it should say sign in with a local account. Follow through the steps, and then you can come back to this video once you guys are done with that. Also put that within the do first, make sure to create one. Next, you want to download Sortum Defender Control. And then once you guys are done with that, now we can go ahead and start with the main part of this video. So now we're going to be completely debloating our bloated Windows 11. So what I like to do from here is to make sure you guys have another browser installed, whether it's Brave, Chrome, or something, because I personally like to get rid of as much as I can off of Windows because I do not like bloat and I like my delay very little to none. So the first thing I usually do is click the view button up here, go into Microsoft Store apps. I have made a video on how to completely debloat Windows before. It's going to be kind of like exactly how we did it before, but we're going to put it all into one guide. So follow along with me as we do it. So we're going to uninstall Calendar. We're going to uninstall Camera. We're going to uninstall Clipchamp Video Editor. We're going to uninstall Clock, Copilot, Cortana, Desktop Package Metadata, Family, Feedback Hub, and Get Help. Next, we're going to remove Local Bridge and Maps. Next, we're going to get rid of Microsoft Bing Search, Edge, and News. I personally like to delete Microsoft Store. If you guys don't want to, you don't have to. You can just skip this part. I'm going to delete Microsoft Store, CLI Tool, and Store Server. We're going to do Microsoft To Do and mobile devices. Next, we're going to remove Outlook, People. The next, we're going to do Quick Assist and Solitaire Collection. Next, we're going to do Store Experience Host, Tips, and Voice Recorder. Next, we're going to do Sticky Notes, Weather, and Widgets Platform Runtime. Next, we're going to do all of our Xbox. If you use Xbox and Microsoft Store, make sure not to follow me. But if you want to debloat everything, go ahead and follow me. So everything from Xbox and your phone. And after that, you can come over to the desktop app section, and then you can force remove Microsoft Edge, and you can force remove Microsoft OneDrive, and then we will be done with the geek part. Now onto the AutoRuns, we're going to right click, run as admin, click agree. First thing I always do is head to the scheduled tasks, and I will uncheck everything within this list. Then we head over back to everything. I like to uncheck Discord and OneDrive and probably your browsers up here if you don't like them on startup. Then I will do Edge as well. All the file sync EXs. I will uncheck WinRAR. Every single one of the OneDrives, you will have 2 sets of these. And then for the services, I like to disable all the Edge or Brave or Chrome elevation services. Now we'll uncheck WinDefend down here, and then that's really about it for AutoRuns. And now we can go into the next step. Next would be GPU. So I have a list of your DDU down here. So this will uninstall your current GPU driver, and we'll get you on the next one. So you would open this through the extract part, hop into DDU, and then run this as administrator. You will get a couple prompts here. So if you are on Nvidia, remove all the AMD specific options, and then click close, and then click OK, and then select device type for GPU, and then go ahead and clean and restart. And then once you are booted back in, use Nvidia clean install. Let me go ahead and download that for you guys real quick. So here's Nvidia clean install. We're going to go ahead and right click, run this as administrator. So when you usually start up after UDDU, you will not have a second monitor. But to fix this, we're going to go in here, manually select a driver version, check show all versions. And I personally love the 581.29 version for desktop. If you are on a desktop PC, please do the desktop version. If you are on a laptop, please do the notebook version. You would click this, then click next. Click the minimum. I like to click the legacy control panel, and it'll install the whole driver for you. And once you get into this screen, just make sure to follow me. We're gonna check the disable installer telemetry, unattended express installation, perform a clean installation. Then we're gonna click show expert tweaks, disable driver telemetry, enable message signaled interrupts, and then check the use method compatible with the UV anti-cheat and automatically accept the driver unsigned warning, and then click next. And then once you're done with that, we have a couple things here we can use. So dark theme, for instance, run as administrator, and then you can come into task manager itself, type in Explorer, and then just right click your Windows Explorer, restart it, and it should restart, get you on a little bit of a dark theme here. And then we can open up the guide one more time, go back into GPU, and then we can do our Nvidia NIT profile, right click, run as administrator. Since I already did that, it will automatically import for me. I will click OK, then go into the Nvidia control panel. Now here's where we do all the settings for Nvidia control panel. So we're gonna drag the use my preference emphasizing to performance, select the middle one, click apply, head into manage 3D settings, and then follow the settings I have all through here. OpenGDI compatibility, do prefer performance, OpenGL rendering GPU, select your GPU, and then scroll down, make sure everything you have on my screen is on yours. Click apply, go into the configure surround PhysX, and then select your GPU, click apply. Then make sure for your change resolution, you do your native resolution on your highest hertz. Come down to adjust desktop size and position, select this to no scaling, and then click apply. Then hop down to the adjust video color settings, select the with Nvidia settings, advanced, put them on full, click yes, and then the one right below this, select both what I have on my screen, uncheck this option right here, click apply. And that's really about it for Nvidia control panel. And then now we are ready for the next step. Next one's the power stuff. It's the Lumin free power plan that Jay has created for us. And then after you're done with that, go into power tweaks, right click, run it as administrator. Should be done easy. You can check what's all in here too, just in case if you wanted to make sure that the power plan imported successfully. Go to edit power plan, and it should be Lumin's free utility power plan. Put the turn off display to never, and then go into change advanced power settings, go into sleep, and make sure allow wake timers is disabled. Click OK and save changes, and we are ready for the next step. Next step is all Windows tweaks. We have data bloat, right click, run as administrator, Explorer UI, right click, run as administrator, keyboard mouse tweaks, right click, run it as administrator. Go into your search bar and type in mouse settings. Follow me as I go here to additional mouse settings. Then go to pointer options and uncheck enhanced pointer precision. Click OK. Now your mouse should be really smooth. And then right click the service disabler. Like I said, if you guys use the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, do not follow me. Right click, run as administrator. And then for your Win32 Prio, I put the priority separation on 26, and then hiding all file extensions in here as well. Right click, run as administrator, and that is done. So this little guide should help you boost FPS and lower system latency all around. You will not have as much bloat on your Windows 11 anymore. And I put a couple files in here for the Lumin free utility that we offer. It is 100% free within the Lumin Tweaks Discord server. And you can look through all the photos I have in here. This is basically all what it looks like and all the options, what you can do inside the Lumin free utility. And then in the last one, I put the AutoTweaker. This is where we sell our AutoTweaker. It helps a lot with system performance, lower latency, higher FPS all around, network tweaks to help your network adapter latency. And right now we have a sale going on, $25 for lifetime, and then manual sessions for $50. But I suggest you guys trying the Lumin free utility first. If it works really well for you, I suggest moving on to the AutoTweaker. But that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for the recent support, like I said in the beginning of this video, and I hope this guys helps you out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys within the next video.